Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this date and walnut cake. Pretty healthy and nutritious, and super delicious. Doesn't it just look amazing? And all you need is a few kitchen staples. So, here we go. Start by mixing together 143 grams of Greek yogurt and 2 grams of baking soda. Keep it aside to foam up. Next, add 75 grams of seedless dates to a blender, plus 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Grind to a paste. Perfect. Now let's just check our Greek yogurt has foamed up, and it has foamed up nicely. Now add 75 grams of caster sugar, 60 milliliters of oil, and 3 milliliters of vanilla essence to a mixing bowl. Whisk them together. Then add in your curd mixture and the date mixture. Then pour in 100 grams of chopped walnuts and whisk it all together. Then 90 grams of refined flour and 2 grams of baking powder goes into that. Fold it in using a spatula. And your cake mixture is ready. Pop it into a lined cake tin. Spreading it out evenly. Top it with some walnuts. And bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. Amazing date and walnut cake. Enjoy!